Hello, welcome back to Defense Info, a one-stop solution for all your defense need. If you haven't subscribed our Telegram channel, do subscribe it at Defense Info 2020. And if you have any query related to defense or any information from SSB, NSB, AFSB, do let us know on Defense Info 2020 at the rate gmail.com. So friends, today I bring you the part 3 of the most important current affairs MCQ compilation series. It will going to be very important for your UPSC Combined Defense Service Examination 02 2021 as well as NDA NS 02 2021 written examination, and 20 questions are sure shot from this particular series. So friends, let's begin with the part. So question number 71, that is, who has become the only Indian honorary member of the International Astronomical Union? So the options are Dorje Angchuk, Sonam Wangchuk, Aravind Joshi, Ram Narayan Agarwal. So option number A, that is Dorje Angchuk, is the correct answer for this particular question. Now next question is as concerned friends, which country will work with Bit Inc as a technical partner in order to launch its own cryptocurrency, that is e-Naira. Its own cryptocurrency e-Naira, this has been launched by the Nigeria. So option C is the correct answer for this particular question. Now friends, the question number 73, that is Wangchua Festival 2021 was celebrated in which following states? So is it Nagaland, is it Assam, is it Manipur, is it Sikkim? So answer for this following question is Assam, the option B. So option B is the correct answer. The next question is as concerned friends, Ladakh has officially declared which animal as a state animal? So is it Ural, snow leopard, Kiang or Ibex? So friends, the correct answer for this is B, snow leopard. So the next question is as concerned friends, the question number 75, that's which among the following platform has launched the payment distance campaign? Follow payment distance campaign. So this has been recently done by RuPay. So option B is the correct answer for this question. Now question number 76 friends, India and which country has signed the agreement for cooperation in the development of air launch unmanned aerial vehicle, that is ALUAV? So friend, this has been done recently with United States of America. So friends, option D is the correct answer for this particular question. Now friends, talking about question number 77, Guru Khasi Das National Park will become the 53rd Tiger Reserve of India, situated in which particular state? So friends, is it Chhattisgarh, is it Madhya Pradesh, it is Bihar, or is it Punjab? So 53rd Tiger Reserve Guru Khasidas National Park is situated in Chhattisgarh friends. So option A is the correct answer. Now friends, talking about the next question, the biannual Aussie Index Maritime Warfare exercise between India and Australia will be held at which place? So Aussie Index means Australia India exercise. Okay, EX means exercise. So it will be held on Australian Capital Territory. So option B is the correct answer. The next question, question number 79, is as concerned, Jammu and Kashmir Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha has launched which program for women associated with SHGS? So is it Devaki, सिद्धि, समृद्धि और साथ? सो इट इज साथ. ठीक है, साथ ही हाथ बढ़ाना, साथ. सो ऑप्शन डी इज द करेक्ट आंसर. Now friends, the next question, question number 80, which one of the following city will organize the G20 summit to be held in 30th to 31st October 2021? So it is Hamburg, Brisbane, Osaka or Rome. So as you all know friends, this year 2021 Italy will going to host this G20 summit. So in the city of Rome it will be going to be organized. So option D is the correct answer. Now question number 81, where the 3-day Singapore India 28th Maritime Bilateral Exercise, that is SIMBEX, will be concluded. SIMBEX, Sim means the Singapore India bilateral exercise. Okay, Singapore India Maritime Bilateral Exercise, this is a full form of this SIMBEX. So is it South China Sea, Indian Ocean, Arabian Sea or the Andaman Sea? So friends, this will going to be held in the South China Sea, that is option A, and option A is the correct answer. Now friends, the next question, question number 81. A new green visa has been launched by which one of the following in order to allow the foreigners to work in the country without being sponsored by the employers. So friends, as you recently know, even Jeev Milkha Singh have received this green visa card. He was the golfer and he has received from the UAE. So UAE is now sponsoring this new green visa card. So friends, option B is the correct answer. The next question is as follow. Question number 83, that is, Life Insurance Corporation of India has brought nearly 3.9% of shares of which following banks? So it is State Bank of India, Bank of India, Punjab National Bank or Bank of Baroda. So Bank of India, the LIC has brought 3.9 percent of shares. So just remember this, Bank of India. Now the next question, question number 84 is as concerned friends. So the question number 84 is, which state has partnered with Maruth Drones to launch a drone based afforestation project named Hara Bhara. Okay, so this has recently done by the state of the Telangana. Option D is the correct answer. Now friends, the next question is as follow. Question number 85, that is, which organization has released the house price index HPI? So HPI has been recently introduced by the RBI, that is Reserve Bank of India. Option B is the correct answer. Next question is friends, the question number 86, the National Hydroelectric Power Corporation, that is NHPC, has recently renovated and modernized 180 megawatt Baira Seol power station. The station is located in which state? Is it Uttarakhand, is it Arunachal Pradesh, is it Himachal Pradesh or Assam? So friends, Hydroelectric Power Corporation. So recently this power station has been done in the Himachal Pradesh. So option C is the correct answer. The next question, question number 87 is as concerned friends. The President of India will award the President's Color to the Indian Naval Aviation at the ceremonial parade to be held at which naval air station? So is it INS Shivaji, INS Hansa, INS Dega, या INS Baj? So you know, previously in the previous year INS Shivaji received this. Now currently INS Hansa will going to receive that. So INS Hansa is the correct answer. So next question is question number 88, that is, Indian Navy has signed the contract with which following company for the supply of first indigenous compressive naval anti-drone system, that is NADS. Is it Bioelectronics Limited, Bharat Electronics Limited, Mahinda Defense System, Larsen and Turbo, Hindustan Aeronautical Limited? So it is option A, that is Bharat Electronic Limited, that is BEL. Now friends, question number 89 is as concerned, that is 130th edition of oldest club football tournament in Asia kick-off in Kolkata on 5th September 2021. So is it Rover Cup, it is Durand Cup, or it is Federation Cup, or it is Santosh Trophy? So friends, recently you know Durand Cup, it has been kicked off and it is the 130th edition. So option B is the correct option. And here even the governor of West Bengal, even the chief of defense staff has also been invited as a guest member. Now friends, question number 90, that is, the center has constituted a committee under whose chairmanship to develop technological platform streamlining the appeal filing process. So is it related to direct and indirect taxation matters? So recently the option C, Ashish Shiradhonkar, has been appointed for this particular thing. And friends, the next question is question number 91, that is, research at which institution has sequenced the genome of Giloy, a plant known for its medicinal properties? So is it ISC Bangalore, IIT Madras, IIT Delhi, IIT या ISR Bhopal? So option A, ISC Bangalore, has been appointed for this. Okay friends, so next question is the question number 92, that is a very important question friends. Which ministry has inaugurated the Nutri Garden at All India Institute of Ayurveda? All Institute of Ayurveda, that is located in New Delhi. So is it Ministry of Ayush, Ministry of Women Child Development, Ministry of Health and Family Affairs, or Ministry of Tribal Affairs? So option B, Ministry of Women and Child Development has inaugurated this Nutri Garden. Now friends, the question number 93 is as concerned friends. What is the name of the project launched by the Australia, Malaysia, Singapore, South Africa to jointly test the multiple central bank digital currency to facilitate the cross-border transaction? Is it Project Currency, Project Digital, Project Dunbar, या Project Money. So Project Dunbar, that is option C, is the correct answer for this particular question. Just remember this, friend. Project Dunbar, very important question. Question number 94 is as concerned the HDFC Life Insurance Company Limited has agreed to buy which life insurance company for 6,687 crore. So is it Exide Life Insurance? Is it Aviva Life Insurance? Is it Edelweiss Tokyo Life Insurance? Or is it Agion Life Insurance? So option A, Exide Life Insurance, HDFC have agreed to buy, right? So friends, the next question, question number 95, very important question, and that that has maximum chances to come. I mean, it is a very easy question and everybody should know. Surya Kiran is a jointly military exercise between India with which following a country? So as you know, recently this Surya Kiran exercise has been done with which country, friends? So is it the Bangladesh, Indonesia, Nepal or Myanmar? So answer is very simple. It is done with Nepal, and recently it is done in, just remember the place, Pithoragarh in Uttarakhand. So next question is as concerned, friends, question number 96. That is, which country has decided to legalize the home cultivation of cannabis? Home cultivation of cannabis that has been legalized recently by the Italy. So option D is the correct answer. The next question, question number 97, Nakhai, which was celebrated recently in agrarian festival in which following state? Is it Karnataka, is it Assam, is it Odisha, is it West Bengal? So option C, Odisha, is the correct answer for this question. Now question number 98 is as concerned, friends, which company has launched an accelerator program, GNI Startup Lab India, for digital news startup in India? Is it Facebook, is it Google, is it Microsoft, is it Intel? So Google is the correct answer for this question. Question number 99. So is it, who among the following has won the women's single title for US Open? Is it Emma Raducanu, Leila Fernandez, Naomi Osaka or Simona Halep? So the option A, that is Emma Raducanu. So she won the US Open for the women. Now friends, the largest open air fernery was inaugurated in which following district? So it has been inaugurated in Uttarakhand, largest open air fernery. Okay friends, so these were the questions for this particular part. So if you like this video, do share among your friends and subscribe our channel for latest information. Click the bell icon below and email us if you have any query or any information from NSB, FSB or SSB at defenseinfo2020@gmail.com, and please join our Telegram group. Link is below. And friends, meet you very soon with a new video.